Howdy. Hey guys, Happy Holidays here. This week has been a wild week. I'm just gonna say that like right off the bat. So okay then. So we're gonna restart that, but we're gonna keep that intro. Hey guys, Happy Holidays here. I'm back. No, that's the nope. Wrong intro again. Hey guys, Happy Holidays here. I posted on time, might I add. This is going to be posted tonight at 9, hopefully. Probably 9:30 because I ran out of time to record and stuff. So, woo, hit that. Whoa. I don't even know why I try anymore. People ask why my channel's dying, and I'm just like, hey, I don't know, man. Because, like, just, whoa. What you were supposed to get out of that was, I didn't post at all this week. I also didn't record at all this week. So, we're in trouble. Like my last video said. But I did post once a week, because this is that week. And it's a Sunday, so yeah. So you know what? I just thought I'd post a little trip down memory lane. A video that I made during my 8th grade year at my elementary school about seatbelt safety. I don't know why I wanted to post this. I just think that it's right. So we're gonna do that. So yeah, this is probably gonna be the last you're gonna see of me for about another week, maybe. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. No one can tell the future. So thank you for watching. Like if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't. Enjoy the video. I St. Paul didn't see you there.
We're going to talk about child safety laws,
Seatbelt protection laws,
and teen safety laws while driving.
Let's go! Okay, using this accurate car simulation, because it's a 100% legit car, we will show you what would happen during distracted driving by teenagers. Okay?
Legit cars.
Hey, can we turn on the music? A little bit. Okay, can we turn it some louder? No. Louder! My ears are bleeding. So much death and destruction. I can't feel my legs.
This is what will happen if a baby is not in a booster seat when there's a car crash.
I need food. I want apples. No, eat my apple. Why do we not eat about
Where's my most carrot?
You can't die on me!
This is what happens when children are wearing a seatbelt under the regulated law of the United States of America.
I need food. I want apples. No, eat my apple. Why do we not have seatbelts? Where's my mushed carrot?
Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Let's try that again.
It's good!
This is what happens when you drunk drive.
No, McDonald's.
Hello there, young customer. This is me and my good friend. Would you like any McDonald's refreshments?
Give me a McStroke.
Are you want to make stroke?
I want a
I
McStroke.
recommend the Dr. Pepper.
Okay, good.
You want something even worse? Than Mountain Dew.
Carl, take that. Take the money.
Thank you.
Okay.
We got a sale, Jimmy.
Go McDonald's. Get on the line! Get on the line! I'll run into you! Go McDonald's. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, it's good McDonald's. I need to get more drunk. So good. Get on the way! Get on the way!
This is what happens when you drive in bad weather such as snow or rain without seatbelts. to keep your eyes on the road. To watch out for dogs, children, deer, and chickens.
Seatbelts save lives. Distracted driving is the #1 cause of death for teens in the United States, specifically texting while driving, peer pressure, and lack of experience. These are all led to car crashes and sometimes fatalities. On average, 1.3 million people die each year due to car crashes. That's 3,287 deaths a day. 20 to 50 million people are injured or disabled. Most deaths are teens caused by teens. Not surprisingly, seatbelts are not used in most of these scenarios. To use this knowledge as an example, we will have you and 3 of your friends in a car going 60 miles per hour. When you crash, you go flying 60 miles per hour through the window.
Bill 315 states that children 8 or younger at the height of 4 foot 9 inches and between 90 pounds and under have to be in a car seat. 48 states require booster seat laws. The only ones that don't are South Dakota and Florida. 4 of those states, California, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Oklahoma, require booster seats to be rear-facing. 5 states, Florida, California, Louisiana, New Jersey, and New York, require seat belts on buses, and Texas requires them on buses purchased after September 2010.
Now scream up the road.
Come on, drive faster!
It is filming! You press the button on this button! This button! Yeah, you will! What's up, bro? I'm out. Thanks for watching!